Hi, I'm Mark from the locals at Ray White, and I'm here at 30 Mountain View Road, opening up Unit 2. The only thing around these parts going downhill is me, because I don't look after myself, but this property is in great nick. It's been well maintained, lovely neighbours, it's got it all. Let's take a look around. That took what, like 4 seconds? I'm so sunburnt already, ridiculous. Two double bedrooms, one up and one down, bathed in sunshine and an internal access garage. As far as affordable city fringe properties go, this lovely home should be top of your list. Oasis is a strong word, but I'm going to go for it. Fully fenced back section, that's what makes a difference. Come along this weekend and check it out while you can. We'll see you there. Jesus. And established trees too. Good gravy.